Welcome to the tutorial for exit ticket 1.05, measure of angles. First question in this exit ticket, which names are other ways to name angle 2? So notice right here, this is angle 2. We could call this angle H because H is the vertex. We could also call this angle GHK. Angle GHK. We want to remember with our angles that the vertex is always in the middle of the angle, so GHK. Next question, which classification is correct for angle 2? Classification, so we're probably looking for, is it acute? Is it obtuse? Is it a right angle? Well, we know that it's not a right angle, and the reason why is we don't have any measurements, but when we don't have measurements, we want to look for that square that tells us that it's a right angle. So this is definitely not a right angle. We also notice that it is not greater than 90 degrees. So 90 degrees would be something like this. Greater would be something like that. Therefore, this is acute angle. Which point is on the interior of angle CAB? So we're going to find the point C, A, B. That's the angle we're talking about. We're going to go ahead and say that's our angle. So everything inside of here. And we notice that I covered up point E. So point E is on the interior. The measure of angle AKG is 133 degrees. What is the measure of angle AKD? Okay, so let's do some notations here. Notice that we have A to K to G. So that tells me that this entire thing is 133 degrees. So I know that the entire thing is 133 degrees. I also know that part of this 183 degrees is 87 degrees or measures 87 degrees. So I can say, well, I know that DKG measures 87, but it wants to know what is AKD. So I'm going to say that K, this angle right here, or AKD, is 87 plus K equals 133. If we do the math, 133 minus 87 is 46. The way that we do that, just in case you're wondering, is we would say 133 minus 87, because we want the 87 to be on the other team, equals K. Then we go ahead and do our math. What is the correct classification for angle BEC? Again, we're going to find our angle. Here's B to E to C. Ooh, I got some good information in here that I can use. So notice that it wants to know this part right here. One of the things that I can determine is that this is a straight angle, which means that this entire thing measures 180 degrees. So I can say 180 degrees is equal to 57 plus 33 plus E. Nice. Now I can move all of my variables to one side and all of my constants to the other side. So I'm going to say 180 subtract 57 subtract 33 is equal to E, and that tells me that angle BEC is equal to is equal to 90 degrees. If you have any questions, shoot me a text, send me an email, or give me a call.